guys, already open. There's the air intake, and I'm gonna have to wash this. I'm gonna show you, look at how dirty is this filter. I haven't washed it in a long time. It's very dry, and the inside don't look so bad. Kinda still got breathing, unbelievable. But yeah, I'm still gonna wash it and dry it good, and then I show you guys how to wash it. I'm gonna show you the next one, okay? So then it's done. Okay guys, now we're inside the house. I'm gonna use in the kitchen. I don't have garage, so that's how so far look like. First, you're gonna put it down, and first you're gonna, there's the spray cleaner. This cleans it, you know. Spray it all around it. It takes all the oily stuff out. Just like a cleaner. The other one we use it after we're done. First, you gotta do this. Wash it. I don't have a high pressure water like some people that I have to do manually more. But yeah, there's a lot of dust, all kinds of debris is coming out of the filter. Mess. It's a mess. Sometimes from the inside, probably push it up, come better. But yeah, it don't take that long. It takes about a few minutes. But yeah, I'm gonna use a hair blow dryer, and so it can dry it a lot quicker. But like this, you have to wait hours to get dried out. So I'm gonna use, yeah, some debris. This actually don't look that bad. I thought it could be worse than this, but it's not. So in a second, you guys, I'll be back in a second when I start drying it. After I dry it, how does it look like? I'm gonna hair blow dry it and then show you the part. So I'm back, and we almost dried it out. Let's give a few more. Yeah, a lot of water coming out. It's staying in like that. So this is how you blow dry it. It's how you blow dry it. You see, it's a lot of water still coming out. So make sure it's everything dry. So I see you back in a second, okay? That's how you do it. So guys, right now it's completely dry. Not a single water drips come out. So basically, you get the spray, and we're gonna spray it, and then we're gonna let it sit there. It's on a different, so that's it. So whisk. Okay, so now it's all spray. All we're gonna do is just let it sit like that. Hope you can see the picture is kind of very bright, but that's it. That's all it takes. So, and it's gonna sit there for a while. We're gonna put it back together, put it in the car, and that's about it. So, see you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up, like and share. help some people how to do things on their own, save some money, don't go and pay mechanics for the lots of money.